Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the DNS Server Unavailable Error inside of Windows 11. So to fix this issue, the first thing we need to do is head over to our Start menu and we need to search for Settings and then head over to the Settings tab. First thing we're going to do is use this search feature here and just search for Troubleshoot and then come over to Troubleshoot Settings. Inside of here, come down to Other Troubleshooters and we're first going to run this network and internet troubleshooter just by clicking this Run button here. And then you just need to go through the steps on the screen here in order to try and diagnose the problem. Now, if that doesn't work for you, we can close out of here and we're going to come over to Network and Internet from the left-hand side. Scroll all the way down to Advanced Network Settings, and then down at the bottom here, you'll see an option for Network Reset. And we're just going to go ahead and select this option and press Reset now. Now, this will require you to restart your computer. So once your computer's restarted, we can check to see if that's fixed the issue. Otherwise, what you'll need to do is come back over to Settings, back over to Network and Internet from the left-hand side here. Come all the way down to Proxy, and you just need to ensure that any proxy settings inside of here have been disabled and turned up, exactly like you see on the screen now. Now, if that still doesn't fix the issue, we can close out of the Settings window. And we're going to head over to our Start menu and search for CMD, and then right-click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. Inside of this black window, there's just a few network commands that we need to type in here. So the first thing we're going to type in is ipconfig /flush DNS and hit enter. And then type in ipconfig /release and hit enter. And lastly, we need to type in ipconfig /renew and hit enter. And once you've completed these commands, we can close out of this window, and we're next going to head back over to the Start menu. This time search for Control Panel and head over to the Control Panel tab. Inside of the Control Panel, just make sure View by here is set to Category, and then we need to come inside of Network and Internet, inside of Network and Sharing Center, and then select Change Adapter Settings from the left-hand side, and you need to locate your network or Wi-Fi that you're currently connected to. So mine's this Wi-Fi one here, and we're just going to right-click on this and come into Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 from this list down here and come into Properties. Now, from this window, we need to come down to this bottom section, and we're going to change this to use the following DNS server addresses, and we're going to try and connect to Google's free public DNS servers. So what you need to do is type in here 8888 and 8844, and then we can press OK to save these changes. And you can close out of this window. Now, that should have fixed the issue, but if it's still not working, what you'll need to do is head back over to the Start menu, search for Services, and then come over to the Services tab. Inside of here, we need to find a process called DHCP, which is this one down here, DHCP Client, and we're just going to right-click on this service, and you need to select Restart. Then, once you've restarted this process, we're also going to come down to DNS Client down here, and we're just going to right-click on this one. And if the option's available, we're also going to restart this one too. Otherwise, you can just leave this, and then we can close out of here, and that should have fixed any DNS issues you were experiencing. Now, let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. And if this video did help you, then please drop a like below, and I'll see you in the next one.